how to see your Cash App card number. Now it is very simple to see your Cash App card number. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to basically launch Cash App. Once you launch Cash App, this is the interface that you will see. Tap on the card icon located at the bottom left corner. Now in my case, I do not have a card yet, but if you do have a card, once you come to the card tab, you will be able to see your card where you can tap on it and follow the prompts to get all the early access and see your card number. Now, if you lose your Cash App card, you can also report it, and you can also use your Cash App card details for online purchases while you wait for physical card to arrive. So this is simply the way on how you can see your Cash App card number. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.